we've just talked about the qualified foreign institutional investor schemes and how that affects foreign investors. We're now going to be talking about the Chinese interbank bond market, the CIBM, and how foreign investors can get access to that. With me is Andy Eng, Head of HSBC Securities Services for China, and Sophia Chung, Head of Client Services at HSBC Securities Services in China. Firstly, Sophia, just what is the Chinese interbank bond market and what types of instruments are issued in it?
Okay. China interbank bond market regime was introduced by the People's Bank of China in 2010. Now the CIBM scheme is open to 5 types of institutions, including the central banks or monetary authorities, RMB clearing banks in Macau and Hong Kong, and third one is RMB cross-border settlement banks and the foreign insurance companies. And fourth and fifth is QFIs and RQFIs. For the CIBM scheme, that the foreign investors now to have a direct investment through the offshore RMB and access the China interbank bond market. The available instruments including the government bond, the PBOC bills, the financials notes, and the midterm notes that's traded in the China interbank bond market.
So this the CIBM scheme is open to quite a variety of foreign investors. And what has been the enthusiasm? What has been the uptake for investing in the CIBM? So far, has there been a lot of demand from foreign investors to get access to it?
Yes, we have seen very strong demand from foreign investors to access the China interbank bond market, given there are over 90% of bond liquidities are provided in the China interbank bond market. So for the investors, they are looking for the asset allocation in the fixed income instruments. They'll look for the regulator support to allow them to access the China interbank bond market. We are also currently assisting our clients to access the China interbank bond market.
So just how many institutions have been approved under the CIBM scheme?
As of March 2013, there are over 61 financial institutions were approved by the CIBM scheme, and of the majorities are commercial banks.
Sophia, thanks very much for that. In the 4th chapter, we're going to be discussing the future outlook for deregulation in China's capital markets and what this means for foreign investors.